the maintenance guy. Back up here with the AC and compressor's not running. Fan's running, compressor's not running. This is a beat up piece of crap. I made a video earlier, much later than this, but the heat strip's not working and how to find the continuity of the heat strips and all that. And this thing right here, I'm gonna test the I'm gonna see if the wires are burned off or anything. Nah, guess we're looking good. No, it looks a little like it got warm. But I don't know. Gotta find out where the cap is on this bad boy, and maybe there's a hard start. Probably this compressor's been replaced. The dryer's not looking all that good either. Now that's, I've seen that before, is a 3/4 inch dryer tube going through a dryer, but usually it's on the high side of the unit. Yeah, this has been hacked. I mean, we got wire nuts here that is probably just a loose wire nut. Oh wow, look at that. That pressure switch ain't even connected, really. Huh. Well, it looks like I got some diagnosing to do, and see if I can get our marketing department some cool air going into their unit here. This is crazy. Check the cap and I'll be right back.